Hey, what's up? It's good to see you again. It's Natasha TL back with the video as promised, which actually increases your workflow using this amazing, I don't know, I hadn't seen it before, drop down menu using the loop. Now you know how to loop, which is highlighting the bars at the top. And in this, I'm going to show you the drop down section. See, I just cut a section, which allows you to get rid of a whole piece if you don't need it anymore. So if you want the chorus gone, get rid of it. Here you insert a silence. As you can see, there's a massive gap. You can create a new composition, amazing for K-pop because, you know, those genres change. After that, you can copy the sections between the locator, which is the loop section, and paste it anywhere you want. Amazing for not having to copy entire sections. You know that how that can get tricky, and it's really long if you've ever done it before. Either way, just play around with this, and you have to put your cursor on top of that little section. Anyway, see you soon. Subscribe.